Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for this video. So I want to give y'all an update on what we're doing here in our outdoor space. But before I go into the outdoor space, I want to share with you a swimsuit haul from SHEIN. So as we all know, summer is fastly approaching and it's going to be swimsuit weather, swimsuit time, swimming pool time, beach time, you know, just lounging around time. So I want to share with you all some swimsuits that I received from SHEIN. Let's talk about this colorful ombre asymmetrical hem tankini set. It's perfect for anyone who wants to be sexy and modest at the same time. Here I have a one-piece knotted cover-up with fringe decorations and hollowed-out design. I am loving the bell sleeves. I have it paired with a two-piece set that's also from SHEIN. Here I'm sharing a black drawstring tankini set. Here I have a halter neck and shoulder strap bikini top with vest style in black. Here I'm sharing a leopard printed pleated tankini set with spaghetti strap. SHEIN has a variety of swimwear in all styles and colors. Be sure to click the link below as well as use the coupon code to get your swimwear today from SHEIN. Let's talk about the upcoming projects for our outdoor space. First off, I need to add some sod out here, some more grass. We had some, you see that tree there? We're pulling those trees up. We had trees lined up on this side and on this side. And it was, you know, kind of complicated on getting into the pool. So we pulled the actual shrubs up on this side. We still have a few more to pull up on this side. We need to add more sod over here. Look how beautiful the grass is out that way. If you notice, out that way the grass is pretty and green, and we have a little grass over here, but for the most part we need to add grass here and we need to add some grass over on this side. So since that's out the way, so let's talk about the projects that we've already done. So first of all, we added this, we updated, we didn't add it because we already had this circle area here. So we updated this area here because some of the boards were not safe. We've added the stairs to get inside the pool. We're working on a solution on how we're going to get out of the pool. We do have a ladder here to get out, but I want to add something more sensible getting out of the pool as well. So hubby wanted a barbecue area, so we added this outdoor barbecue grill gazebo, and we're planning on staining it gray. It's kind of like an outlier here in the background in regards to the color. My husband wants to keep it this color. He's not coordinated. I'm a coordinated type of person. I want to stain it gray, but for now we're going to go ahead and leave it this color. Now we did add this platform for his barbecue area. He does have a grill that he's going to put here, which is actually on my patio right now. We're going to move the grill out here. That fountain there that you see is going to be moved on my gazebo area. There's a lot of stuff that's just laying around during the construction. We just haven't moved it in its rightful place. So this is the barbecue grill area here. Yes, I love this area here. It comes with electrical. My husband has some electrical ran back here. You want to charge your phones, you can charge your phones back here. Look, it has the USB charging ports, then it have the plugs. This is awesome. We're gonna string some lights out here just a tad bit better than what we have right now. And then another thing that I like about this bar area is, not bar area, this barbecue area, is it has little bars here on each side. You can actually use some outdoor chairs over here if you want to sit out and watch him as he grill or barbecue or whatever. I can have some of my ladies over. We can do like a brunch. You know, this is awesome. I'm excited about the outdoor space once we get it all lined up. Also, one of my most important things that I want to do is get this tree here trimmed back. You see all them leaves and stuff, all that stuff just been falling in my pool. So I have a pool cover over my pool. Now during the summer, the fallout is not near as bad as the spring. I mean, so much stuff has been falling out of that tree. Spiders, birds, I mean, worms, bugs that I've never seen in my entire life. Things that are coming off of that tree. If you look on top of my neighbor's garage there, you see those brown things? Those things has also been falling in the pool, actually on the cover. It's still kind of chilly here in Texas, so we haven't gotten in the pool quite yet. Probably mid-May we'll be ready, and hopefully all the fallings that's coming off of the pool, by the time it warms up, it'll be done. But I do want to get this tree trimmed back. Probably those two big branches. It's like, if you take a look, it's probably, let me see, 1, 2, 3. I think 3 of those branches needs to be cut off, and it'll cut back on the fallout that I have coming on my pool. To power wash these bricks here and probably pull out some of the rocks and replace them. I also want to update my walkway out there to my she shed because it's a hot mess. I'm not going to even show y'all my walkway out there because it's such a mess. And I also want to add, like, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but there's some things that you can put to keep animals from going underneath. I want to add that here to keep stuff from going underneath there. I don't even know if I really want to do that because I want to spray under there every so often to keep spiders and bugs from underneath there. Because look, this is what I'm talking about. What kind of bug is that? Look at it. I've never seen. Is that like a baby caterpillar? That caterpillar that just does not have its fur yet? Is that what that is? Probably what that is. And here's another bug. What is this? Is that a ladybug? I think that may be a ladybug. That's the main reason why I want to get that tree trimmed, because those things are falling from the tree. So that sums up the plan for what we're doing to our outdoor space. Now, I meant to film when the guys were building that and when they were building that, but I was indoors working while they were out here building. I didn't have time to do it. My she shed right now is a mess. I need to go in there and do some purging with my home decor. My patio is a mess right now because all the stuff that goes out here is actually on my patio. So here's my patio right now. I'm going to be, I don't know if I want to sell or give away this sectional here. I don't want this sectional anymore. I'm going to keep the egg chairs for now. I kind of want to make out there like a lounging pool area. I want to put some of those loungers out there that you can lay back in instead of the sectional and the egg chairs. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just work with what I have for the time being. I'm waiting on my daughter to move into her house. Once she gets situated and move into a house, then I can give her a lot of this stuff. That's kind of why I'm kind of holding off on selling and giving away stuff, just giving her a little time to get her stuff together. Yes, I do have to cover this is my outdoor dining set. I have to keep it covered because I have a stray cat problem here. Anything that I really, really like, I have it covered. So I hope that you all are inspired by our upcoming projects. I hope that it inspires you to get you some updated upcoming projects for your outdoor space, for the summer and fall. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.